we have given algebraic fraction and we have to reduce this fraction to the lowest terms. First, when we have to reduce fraction, we need to have multiplication in numerator and in denominator. We have 4x times, always invisible sign is times. And in parentheses we have 3x minus 1 to 6th power. So let me rewrite our numerator. We have 4 times x squared times 3x minus 1 to 6th power, and in denominator we have 2 times x times 3x minus 1 to 3rd power. When we have multiplication, we can reduce. Variable with variable, the same variable, we have in parentheses the same expression, so we can reduce this, and number with number. So now the greatest common factor for 4 and 2 is 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2 and 2 divided by 2 is 1. Next, we have x squared and x. So we can rewrite our numerator because here is like invisible 1. So now we have 2 times, and always I need the same power which is the lowest power. So 1 is the lowest power, 2 is greater. So I will rewrite x to 2nd power, but this is x to 1st power times x to 1st power. When we have the same base, we just add exponent. 1 plus 1 is 2. So I still have the same expression which I have at the beginning. I have only x squared, and here I have x times x is x squared. So I didn't change anything. Times, and now in parentheses we have in denominator 3x minus 1 and 3x minus 1 in numerator, and the smallest power is 3. So to reduce this power, I need to rewrite 3x minus 1 to 3rd power. So will be 3x minus 1 to 3rd power times the same base I have to have. I copy the base, and now what we need here, when we have 3, 6 minus 3 is 3. Still, I didn't change anything, because when we have the same base, we just add exponent. 3 plus 3 is 6. So I have everything what I have at the beginning. I just rewrite 3x minus 1 to 6th power to 3x minus 1 to cube and times 3x minus 1 to cube. Why to cube? Because I have cube in denominator. So now I can reduce. So first let me copy our denominator. I have 1 times x to 1st power, if we don't have power is 1, times 3x minus 1 to 3rd power. So this is equal. Now when we have the same base, the same variable and the same power, we can reduce. So this is 1, 1, and 3x minus 1 cube, and cube we have. So this I can reduce, so it will be 1, 1. So now we can do multiplication. 2 times 1 is 2 in numerator, and we have times x to 1st power, so this is x, times 1. 2 times 1 is still 2, it didn't change anything, and we have times 3x minus 1 to 3rd power over, and we have 1 times 1 times 1 is 1, so in the numerator we have 1 only. So now when I divide by 1, this whole expression is still the same expression, so we have 2x times 3x minus 1 to 3rd power. So this is my solution.